Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in Wilmington, North Carolina. I'm happy to see y'all. I'm going to be teaching a class at the Fluid Art Experience coming up in Dallas, Texas. There'll be a link in the description box for you. One of my favorite classes, kind of how this girl's pouring journey started. I'm going to be teaching a swiping away class. I'm a swiping kind of girl. I enjoy my swiping, and a lot of times I come up here and I can't decide. I can't decide on my base coat colors. I can't decide on other colors. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a split base coat. I'm going to do black and I'm going to do white. The black is Amsterdam Acrylics in the lamp black, and the white is Amsterdam Acrylics in the titanium white, but there is a little bit of leftover Artist Loft soft body in the titanium white. Those two cups are right here. We're mixed 1 part paint, a healthy squirt of Golden GAC 800, and our pouring medium, which is strained Floetrol today. We've got about 1 part paint to 3 parts pouring medium. The titanium white was a little bit thicker, so I added a little bit of water to it. It leaves a little bit of a mound before it dissipates into the paint below. Now our base coat colors are a little bit thinner than our pour colors. They're basically just a slick surface for these colors to travel across. Once again, a white and black split base coat, because I'm going to do ribbons of color and then swipe it on the white base coat, on the black base coat, to decide which color base coat I like better. We've got some yummy colors over here, and this first cup is Amsterdam Standard Series in the Azo Orange. Love me some Amsterdam paints. Next cup is Amsterdam Standard Series in the Sky Blue Light, which is an opaque paint. The first one is a semi-transparent paint. This yellow is semi-transparent. It is Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam. Then we have in this yummy cup right here, Amsterdam Standard Series in the turquoise blue, which is an opaque paint. And then these two cups are a little bit different. This is titanium white by Amsterdam, and this one right here is carbon black by Amsterdam. These two paints are mixed a little different. They're mixed with the super secret sauce Aussie Floetrol. We've got 1 part paint, 2 to 2.5 parts of the Aussie Floetrol. Those two paints are the thinnest of the paints to kind of glide across the surface when I swipe them. So that's what we're doing, guys. Swiping 101, swiping away, one of the classes I'm teaching at FAE. Come paint with me.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers,